Did you know? 95% of people dream of a life of luxury, but only 1% actually achieve it. Why? Because they understand the rules of the money game. Imagine traveling the world in first class, living in a home that feels like a paradise and never worrying about bills. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the twist. These luxuries are not just about having money. They're about freedom, opportunities, and choices. Stay with me till the end. I'm not just going to tell you about the luxuries the rich enjoy. I'll show you how you can start working toward these dreams no matter where you're starting from. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. Time freedom, the ultimate luxury. Time freedom is the rarest and most valuable luxury because it allows you to design your life on your own terms. Unlike material wealth, which can be bought and displayed, time freedom is about living intentionally, choosing how, when, and with whom you spend your days. Imagine waking up without an alarm, pursuing passions without worrying about bills, or dedicating hours to your family and personal growth. This freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's earned through strategic planning, financial discipline, and the right mindset. It's not just about quitting a 9-to-5, it's about breaking free from the cycle of trading hours for dollars. After all, the richest person isn't the one with the most money, but the one who controls how they spend their time. Number 2. World-class education. World-class education is one of the most transformative luxuries that wealth can provide, not just for yourself but for future generations. Think about the power of learning from the world's top minds, be it in technology, business, art, or sciences. This level of education instills confidence, critical thinking, and a global perspective that equips you to solve complex problems and lead in any field. For the wealthy, education extends into personal development, attending exclusive workshops, hiring top coaches, or gaining insights through global travel and cultural exchanges. When you invest in lifelong learning, you're not just buying knowledge, you're investing in adaptability, innovation, and influence. Knowledge is the ultimate equalizer, and the wealthy understand that education is the one asset that can never be taken away. Number 3. Health, a personalized approach. Ever heard of someone flying across the globe for a health checkup? That's what the wealthy do. They prioritize preventive health care, personal trainers, and nutritionists to ensure they're operating at their best. Without health, wealth means nothing. The rich understand that their energy is their greatest asset. Start small, focus on fitness, eat clean, and get regular checkups. You don't need a private chef to make healthier choices. Get rich and access all the healthcare facilities. Number 4. Exclusive travel experiences. Exclusive travel experiences are a luxury that money can unlock, offering not just a break from routine but an immersion into the extraordinary. Imagine chartering a private yacht to explore hidden Greek islands, staying in a glass igloo under the northern lights in Finland, or embarking on a luxury safari where every moment feels like a scene from a dream. These aren't just vacations, they're transformative experiences that money can curate, offering privacy, unparalleled comfort, and bespoke adventures tailored to your preferences. But the real luxury of exclusive travel lies in the memories and perspectives it brings. Wealthy individuals often see travel as an investment in their personal growth, learning from diverse cultures, gaining inspiration, and recharging their creative energy. Even if you're not rich yet, you can adopt this mindset by prioritizing quality over quantity in your travel plans. Whether it's one extraordinary trip a year or exploring hidden gems locally, traveling with intention adds immeasurable value to your life. The world is the best classroom, and exclusive travel is your ticket to truly experiencing it. Number 5. Luxury homes designed for peace. Think about a home with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking a serene lake, a personal gym, and a Zen garden. For the rich, a home is not just a status symbol, it's a sanctuary. Our environment impacts your mindset. A well-designed space promotes productivity, creativity, and peace. The benefits of living in a luxury home extend beyond comfort. It's about cultivating a lifestyle that supports productivity and happiness. These spaces often feature wellness-centric additions like private gyms, yoga studios, and meditation rooms, ensuring a healthy work-life balance. Even if you don't own a luxury home yet, you can adopt elements of this philosophy in your space. Add greenery, Focus on natural light or create a clutter-free corner dedicated to relaxation. A peaceful home leads to a peaceful mind, and when your environment supports your goals and mental clarity, it becomes your ultimate foundation for success. Number 6. Access to VIP experiences. From private concerts with their favorite artists to exclusive fashion shows, the rich enjoy experiences that most can't even imagine. These experiences aren't just about fun, they're about accessing circles of influence and creativity. Look for local VIP events or unique experiences within your budget. Over time, as you grow, so will the exclusivity of the events you attend. Unique experiences create lifelong memories and often bring unexpected opportunities. Number 7. The power to reinvent yourself anytime. Most people stay stuck because they fear starting over. The rich don't have that fear. They have the resources to explore new paths. I know a person who was stuck in a dead-end corporate job for 10 years. After saving aggressively and building passive income streams, he quit. Today, he's a wildlife photographer traveling the world. Wealth gave him the freedom to pivot his life toward his passion. If money weren't an issue, what would you really want to do with your life? You don't need millions to reinvent yourself. Start a side hustle, take a course, or explore your passion part-time. Reinventing yourself keeps life exciting and purposeful. It's proof that it's never too late to chase a dream. Number 8. Control over choices. Live without compromise. When you're financially independent, you're no longer bound by obligations you dislike or circumstances you can't control. Whether it's choosing the kind of work you want to pursue, where you want to live, or even who you spend your time with, being rich allows you to say yes to what truly aligns with your goals and values. It means you don't have to stay in a job that drains your energy or sacrifice your dreams due to financial constraints. For instance, if you want to take a year off to travel the world or dedicate time to a passion project, wealth makes that possible. It's about escaping the rat race and creating a life where compromises aren't necessary. When you have control over your choices, you're empowered to live authentically and purposefully. Number 9. Freedom to pursue your passions. This is a wealth's greatest gift. The beauty of pursuing your passions is that it brings joy and aligns your life with your values. When you're financially free, you don't have to ask, "Can I afford to do this?" Instead, you ask, "How can I create something amazing with my time?" Wealthy individuals often use this luxury to invest in hobbies that turn into legacies, like funding scientific research, composing music, or starting philanthropic ventures. Even if you're not rich yet, start small by carving out time to explore your interests now. It is the path of becoming rich soon. Passion is what makes life exciting, and when paired with financial freedom, it's the ultimate recipe for a life well lived. Number 10. Privacy, peace, and giving back. Think about the rich and famous who can disappear from the public eye whenever they want. How much of your daily stress comes from things that don't truly matter? Peace of mind is priceless. It's in those quiet moments that your best ideas and deepest joys emerge. While wealth offers comfort and indulgence, its highest purpose is the ability to give back. Think of individuals who use their resources to build schools, provide clean water, or empower entrepreneurs in underserved communities. Even on a smaller scale, acts of giving remind us that wealth is most meaningful when it uplifts others. True luxury lies not just in what you can afford to keep, but in what you can afford to share. 10 luxuries you get once you become rich. But here's the secret. You don't need to wait until you're wealthy to start living a richer life. Every small action you take today, from investing in your health to building meaningful connections, brings you closer to these luxuries. So start from today. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.